seafoam milkshake, forest flower pasta, a magical smoothie, and cake pops sprinkled with magic? Check out a culinary fairy versus mermaid battle in our new video. The show is live. Mermaid has put on her haute couture tail. Fairy looks like the most magical chef in the world. The cooking battle starts now. The real battle starts here. The contestants have to present main courses. They choose pasta. Let's see whose dish is better. Mermaid's pasta is made with seaweed and sea coral extract. Add salt to boiling water and color it with blue food coloring. Cook rice noodles of 2 shades. Cook pieces of cauliflower in water with pink food coloring. Cut a starfish from a piece of carrot. Peel an avocado and slice it. Put the dark blue and turquoise noodles on a plate. Wrap separate pieces in a spiral so that they look like swirls. Put the pink cauliflower to look like corals. Add a green seaweed salad. Decorate it with the carrot star, slices of avocado, and sprinkle it with sesame seeds. Mermaid's pasta creates the vibe of splashing sea waves and tides. And the carrot starfish looks like it's real. And what will Fairy's pasta tell us? Rumor has it that the forest elves made every single noodle by hand for her dish. Add salt and green food coloring to boiling water and cook pasta nests in it. Cook farfalle pasta in pink water. Make stars from cheese using a cutter. Make flowers from radishes. Put lettuce on a plate and put the pasta nests on it. Fill the remaining space with pink butterflies. Plant radish flowers onto the green meadow. And decorate the butterflies with stars. Stick sunflower sprouts into the nests. Fairy's pasta is filled with butterflies, flowers, and magic spells. It looks so beautiful and delicious. Both contestants take a look at what their competitor cooked. They are looking forward to tasting each other's dishes. At last, curiosity wins. Fairy tastes Mermaid's blue pasta, and Mermaid takes a sample of the edible flower from Fairy's dish. Not bad. Both dishes are good enough. Mermaid and Fairy try out new recipes of a smoothie bowl. Cover bananas with cream. Add shredded coconut. Mix it with a drop of blue food coloring. Pour it into a bowl. Melt cream toffees in a microwave. Cover a silicone starfish mold with vegetable oil. Add food coloring to the melted candies and fill the mold. Sprinkle the smoothie bowl with regular and colored shredded coconut. Add blue edible pearl powder. Decorate it with nuts in colored glaze and confectionery pearls. Put the hardened candy starfish on top. Mermaid's smoothie bowl is like a miniature sea. You can feel the ocean breeze blowing. And Fairy's smoothie bowl is like a green forest meadow where bright pumpkin flowers bloom. Mix banana, kiwi, and avocado in a blender. Add spinach. Pour it into a bowl. Cut flowers out of a pumpkin. Cut a kumquat into circles. Decorate the smoothie bowl. Use confectionery flowers, gummy berries, and sunflower sprouts. These smoothie bowls turn out to be so delicious that the contestants don't even want to share. Both of them wolf down their tasty smoothie bowls. Fantastical beings enjoy healthy food too. The girls got carried away chatting during a commercial break. They haven't seen each other for a while because Mermaid rarely goes to the surface and Fairy never happens to swing by the underwater world. At last, sweet desserts are served. Cake pops with a pinch of magic. But Mermaid doesn't understand how this sweet green shade ended up in her underwater world. It must be a mistake. Crumble sponge cakes to make an even consistency. Shape balls. Apply some honey. Cover the ball with green confectionery glaze. Cover the next one with crumbled meringue. Green confectionery sprinkles are one more decor option. Attach decorative bees and ladybugs to sticks. Insert the sticks into the balls. Decorate the cake pops with confectionery flowers. This green ball definitely doesn't come from the deep sea. It looks more like fresh spring grass. And a ladybug has never been a sea dweller. Fairy doesn't like her dessert either. This yummy treat has way too much blue. You won't find something like this in her forest kitchen. Crumble a sponge roll in a mortar. Make balls from the mass you get. Let them chill. Soak some gelatin in water. Melt white chocolate and add blue food coloring to it. Insert sticks into the balls. Cover them with gelatin. Decorate them with blue chocolate. Shredded coconut and confectionery glaze. Embellish the sticks with blue ribbons. There is something wrong with these cake pops, but the friends find a solution. They swap their desserts. Yes, of course! Now everything is back to normal. Their desserts were just mixed up. Mermaid is supposed to have the blue cake pops, and Fairy should have the green ones. The plates with yummy snacks quickly become empty. At the end of the day, these magical creatures are sweet tooths. Fairy has a fruit milkshake woven from sun rays and sweet-smelling berries. Cover strawberries with milk. Add some berry sorbet and mix it in a blender. Make its color richer with food coloring. Pour the milkshake into a glass. Mix bananas with milk for the second layer. Add yellow food coloring. Pour in the second layer. Decorate the cocktail with whipped cream. Add a candied pomelo and a wafer rose. Sprinkle it with food glitter. Fairy's milkshake is soft and gentle. Its taste immediately makes your soul warm and happy. Mermaid's cocktail, Blue Lagoon, consists of sea foam and sweet ocean currents. Cover a banana with milk and mix it in a blender. Add blue bubblegum flavored ice cream. Pour some of the mixture into a glass. Color the remaining milkshake with a drop of blue food coloring. Mix 6 servings of the milkshake with different color intensities by adding the color gradually. You'll go from light blue to dark blue. Put white chocolate in a Ziploc bag and melt it in a double boiler. Cover seashell molds with edible pearl powder. Use white and gold colors. Pour the melted chocolate into the molds. Let them harden. Pour the milkshake into a glass, layer by layer, from the darkest to the lightest. Add whipped cream on top. Decorate it with chocolate seashells and confectionery pearls. Sprinkle it with food glitter. Mermaid's milkshake is delicious not only on top, but also deep down. And even a high-end restaurant would be jealous of these pearl and chocolate seashell decorations. Well, both milkshakes are equally nice. These milkshakes will quench your thirst both in a magical forest and at the bottom of the sea. Did you like our food challenge? Then write in the comments whose magical meal you would like to cook, mermaids or fairies. And don't forget to
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.